Hi, my name is Tess, and I'm going to show you some quick tips that I found successful to help me balance in half moon. So as with any balance, it's really about finding that foundation. And in half moon, we have the foundation of our one foot and our one hand. So to find the foundation in our foot, we're going to take a moment and just root down in our Tadasana. And so you're really trying to find those 3 points of contact. You have your big toe, your little toe, and then the center of your heel, and you're rooting down tall. And then by pressing down, you have that strength to lift tall and strong. And the same thing goes when we have our hand resting on the mat. When we press down, we're going to have that nice contact in the first knuckle, so right where your finger meets your palm. You're going to press in there and have that energy, pressing down to lengthen you up. Another trick that I like for half moon is using the props. Sometimes we're afraid to use props, but I really believe that the use of props can help you get the most out of your pose. Even if you're not in the full expression, you can still get all the benefits from it. So with that said, we're going to use a block for this half moon. So to start, you're going to start in kind of a pyramid pose with your legs apart. Then your right hand is going to hold onto the block, and you're going to place the block in front of and to the outside of that front foot. Bending into that right knee, already I'm going to root down into my hand. So I'm pressing into the block, making that contact. And my foot is doing the same thing with the mat. I'm rooting down into all 3 points. Then I bring my other hand to my hip and I press into the mat to lift the left leg up. And maybe you're finding your balance. If you have the flexibility, you can always root down into the mat as well. I just find having that contact with the mat or the block in your hand, using it for your second balance and your second support is really going to allow you to balance on that half moon and have that steady, solid look. So don't forget to practice on the other side and keep practicing yoga.